In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, the Master of Death and Last, the Master of Life. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you will be safe and sound. This is your own YouTube channel that name is Teacher Narasif. Book Amin. I hope you will watch my all videos, share, like, and subscribe my all videos because these videos are very important. Today, my topic is present perfect continuous tense. Number one, sign. Number two, simple. Number three, helping verbs. Number four, use of verbs. Number five, positive sentence. Number six, negative sentences. Number seven, interrogative sentences. I would like to explain to you that the sign of the sentence is ता रहा है, पी रही है, ता रहा हूँ, वक्त के साथ आता है, वक्त के साथ सेंटेंस के लास्ट पे यूज होगा. एग्जाम्पल, मैं सुबह से खाना खाता रहा हूँ. हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हैज बीन और हैव बीन. I, we, you, they plus have been. He, she, it plus has been. Use of verbs. First form plus ing. Positive sentences. Subject plus has been, have been plus a form of verbs plus object. Negative sentences you will use not after has or have. Interrogative sentences you will use has, have, or what, when in the start of the sentence. Start of the sentence, and you will use the sign of the interrogation. So this is a present perfect continuous tense. I hope you get much. And the last I want to tell you that please pray for the people of the Palestinian and Makbula Kashmir Spanish Iran. I hope you will do that at the time of prayer.